We're fishing at a little river here, and right there is where we caught 2 fishes. Another one like this. So I'm going to show you guys when we catch more. This is how we're catching them, using bread. You guys can see the fish there.
We have to try again.
But those last 2 fishes only took 1 throw.
I have to put an excuse for bread.
The smaller ones ate it.
Yeah. I get one, I think. I need to put that.
I see that.
Almost.
But he's following it.
Spit out.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ah, we got him. Put him in. This is where we're keeping them for now until we take them home. You can't really see them. I'll try flash. There we go. It's much better with flash. We're seeing 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. And a lot of small ones we caught using this bottle trap here. And we put bread in here. Right there. And they just went inside. So let's throw for some more.
Alright, I'll be going.
We have to catch him. You think it's big like the one we caught earlier and let go?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, it's dark. I don't think they could see us. So it's gonna be hard to catch thing now.
What? Big fishes?
Because they catch all the time.
And number 4. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also subscribe to Angie's channel. He's catching all of these fishes. This is a small one. His link will be in the description.